The NPA extension identifies a Nero BackItUp archive file containing backed up data from Nero's backup utility. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you restore or manage these backup archive files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure NPA formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. NPA files are backup archives created by Nero BackItUp, storing compressed copies of files, folders, and system data. They provide file-level and image-level backup with optional encryption for data protection and disaster recovery on Windows systems. Nero BackItUp NPA files use a proprietary compressed format, with optional AES encryption storing file data directory structures, timestamps, and permissions. They support full incremental and differential backup types with backup chain management. The NPA format has primary linkage to the Nero BackItUp application by Nero AG. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows offers only basic metadata for backup files, so full access depends on dedicated restore utilities. Your reliable starting command is the Open With action. Right-click the NPA file and select Open With. If Nero BackItUp is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If you still cannot open your NPA file, that is okay. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, restoring files. Install Nero BackItUp and open the application. Navigate to Restore and browse to the NPA file. Select the files or folders to recover and choose a destination. Click Restore to decompress and extract the backed up data to the specified location. Next, verifying integrity. Use Nero BackItUp's verification feature to check NPA archive integrity before restoration. The tool validates checksums throughout the backup to confirm all data is intact and recoverable. Regular verification ensures backup reliability for disaster recovery. Finally, managing backup sets. Organize NPA backup files by date and content type. Maintain backup chains complete with full and incremental sets. Delete outdated backup archives to free storage space while retaining sufficient recovery points for your data protection requirements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.